was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something.
Yeah, man, we down here at Mugshots. Down here at Mugshots Bar and Grill in Olive Branch, man. She's on the phone. Granddad. I'll see little boss later.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. What it do? What it do?
Over here.
Man, no, man. Man, she can. Vic, go slide over one. No, Mono coming at you. Okay. Hey, I ain't see him here, man.
I already mapped it out, man. I do what I want to do.
Okay, I got you. 78 Chevy, boy, man. We down here at Mugshots, man. You know, we got our food. Me and Ball Lady got us something to go. You know, it's piping hot, you know what I'm saying? It's piping hot, man. So once we get home, we ain't got to do nothing but put it in the air fryer, you know what I'm saying? You know, my girl, Nitris, she had salad. You know, she's still munching on her salad over there. Mo them had what you have? Burger. Mo had a burger and they had popcorn chicken.
Pow pow shrimp.
Who?
Pow pow shrimp.
Oh, pow shrimp. What you have? And Nita had a trio. Okay, so but my guy, my bro right here, he had pasta or chicken pasta, shrimp pasta. Then my guy right here, he had shrimp pasta, and my girl over there, she had shrimp pasta. Hey man, they sent theirs back. We gotta be bowling at 7:30, and it's 6:58. So the reason they sent it back is because they said it wasn't warm enough, right?
They took it to the service.
It wasn't hot enough. We'll put it like that. It was cold. They said it was cold. So we just gonna fast forward. So by the time they get their food, it gonna be time to go. So they still can't eat it. So they gotta still warm their food up because it's gonna be cold in a month sitting in their car. You know what I'm saying? So it's like they could have killed what they had. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna be eating while he drives.
Okay, now my girl said she gonna eat hers. She gonna eat hers in the car, so she's straight. Big gotta drive. Reg gotta drive.
There you go. Just feed
Okay, they said they gonna feed him.
Yeah.
Okay, so Nietzsche's gonna feed Reggie. I mean, Nietzsche gonna feed Vic, and my girl gonna feed.
Drive.
Huh?
She's driving. So
okay, so Vic can eat in the car.
Right.
So they straight then.
Yeah, they straight. Yeah.
They straight. Yeah, she gonna feed Reggie. She gonna eat, and Vic gonna eat.
Yeah.
All right, bitch. They straight then. I thought it was all messed up for them, man. You know what I'm saying? We got ours to go anyway, cause y'all know we had Smackers earlier, but I got some wings.
Man.
And Boss Lady got some. Man, them joints still hot, bro. Some of us still hot. And she got her some Southwest egg rolls, man.
Wait.
Bro, she.
It ain't what you think. It's so good, baby.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, he gotta try it.
Yeah, man.
They gotta see to it. I'm gonna put you in the
What was it seasoned at first though? It was seasoned at first?
No, he said it was. He said it really wasn't good at
You
first.
just hook it up when you get to the house? Just hook it up when you get to the house?
I'm gonna have to do all this.
Complete season, yeah.
Yeah, so Parmesan cheese.
Hey man, they food came. That man eat like he in the pen. That man eat like he doing 10. Yeah, the boy eat like he doing 10, man. What the fuck? Man. Hey man. So they got their food, right? Now I know Reggie eat here like he been in jail, so I know he was straight too. Yours straight? Yours straight? Okay, she said hers straight too. She said hers straight. My boy just put his in the box. He just said he gonna hook it up when he gets to the house. He can say he got some complete season. He got some Mrs. Dash. He got some Cavenders. Some Slap Your Mama. He got all that. He gonna hook it up when he gets to the house. He said it's hot, but it's bland now. Hey man. You know, like Nita, she tried to school them and try to tell them, don't go, when you go to a sports bar, you get sports bar food. You see how we got wings and we got wings and egg rolls, Southwest egg roll, huh? No, I was talking about how Nita said when you go to a sports bar, you get sports bar food.
We know now.
Right, she said she know now. Yeah, man. You know, I guess, you know, God just laid it on my mind to get some to get the wings and the Southwest egg rolls, man. Hey man. Oh yeah. That's our waiter right there.
Talking about me on the
She, huh?
talking about me because I'm like
He said what? He's calling you out because you don't like
talking
him?
about
Yeah,
me.
he talking.
Yeah,
He talking
I was
about
talking
them.
about him. Yeah.
I'm sorry, y'all.
It's okay. We know it's not your fault. You got the tickets. She got the burger. You got the tickets already.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Well, our waiter, she did her job though. She did her job. What's your name?
Kristen.
Kristen?
Yes.
Kristen, y'all come see Kristen when y'all come down here, man.
Yeah.
What's
Huh?
your name on YouTube?
It's a 78 Chevy boy. 78 Chevy boy. Okay.
You see, didn't I kill it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Damn, what we get? Oh, we got them drink.
So what we get?
Yeah, we got them 2 drink. Yeah.
Let me see.
I'm looking for some more. I'm drinking $20. You know how much Tito we could have got for $20?
I ain't lying. The whole big bottle.
Messing with V. Messing with V.
I'm yawning. Look, Nita yawning too.
So we about to
Me too. I'm yawning.
we about to head out and we gonna go down to the
This one told me, he said,
what's the name of the place? Strike Zone. We going to Strike Zone to bowl, man. I asked them, I said, do everybody know how to bowl? I think everybody just lied to me.
I ain't lying.
Mo told off on his wife. He said she's a professional right here.
I don't even ball.
She's a professional. Since she was in a bowling club, got her own ball and everything. So we'll see in a minute, man. We'll see in a minute. Y'all keep it locked, man. We'll be down here. All right.
Look.
Shout out to my boy Fly by G Money, man. You see him rocking that thing, man.
Don't you know how to?
My boy Fly by G Money got me this junk. Y'all keep it locked. Hey, man. Yeah, man. We out here, baby. Headed down here, man. My folks almost got us late, man. They said we're gonna be there at 7:30, so we gotta get in there. They gotta give us some kind of grace period, man. Yeah, man. My folks tripped me out down there, man. So they end up getting their food, saying now the food was bland. It was bland, man. So they end up sending it back. So the girl, Kristen, she took it off. My bad. Hold on, y'all. She took it off the off the ticket, man. They gave it back to him. So don't get me wrong. It wasn't Kristen's fault. It wasn't the waiter's fault. The waitress' fault. Hey, it was the cook, man. It was the cook. But so now they still gonna have to get something to eat down here. Ain't that wild? That's wild, man. So Yeah, I'll keep it locked.
Quarter mile, turn left onto Malone Road.
We'll be there in a minute. I might just keep on down. Let me see. Let's see here. Keep on down to Getwell. It's pretty. It said the best way to go. I'm gonna go that way. Might be a traffic jam down at down the
Turn
other way.
left onto Malone Road.
Woo, boy, they tickled me. Now we really finna see some tickling in a minute, man. I know everybody can't bowl.
Continue on Malone Road for half a mile.
Everybody can't bowl, man. So we'll be there in a minute, man. We in Big Zeus tonight. We hanging out down here in South Haven, Mississippi, so we should be good.
Should be.
Man, you riding around up there in Memphis, you down there got the Uber head with.
Quarter mile, turn right onto Freeman Lane.
That'll be your best out. But yeah, man, let us pay attention to this road. We'll be there in a minute, so we can get that y'all see Big P hit these strikes, man. Me and Boss Lady.
Nah.
Me and Boss.
Nah, hold on. Boss lady in it.
Me and Boss Lady.
Boss lady in it.
Y'all keep it locked. All right.
That's okay. Don't put me in, back.
Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
Hey man, y'all check the cube out, man. There's really one parking spot. But my boy Reg, he made a spot for Vic, man. It don't take much. You can pull the cube off in the spot. Yeah, you in there, man. You in there, man. 2 for 1. 2 for 1, man. Yeah, man. We finna go in here and have a little fun, man. Showing y'all how we do it. Just kicking it. My boy Vic came up with this, man. He said, man, what y'all gonna do this weekend? We're gonna get out, couples thing. Hey, man, let's make it happen. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. So, give me a minute. We finna get up in that thing. Yeah, grabbing them shoes, man. Nice little spot, man. It's called the Strike Zone down here in South Haven, Mississippi. We headed down here to the lanes. Y'all see them things, man. And them things, man. Y'all know I keep a pair of fresh J's on. Yes, sir. Got to. I keep them ducked off in the closet, man. So we about to get to it, man. Show y'all a little bit of what we got going on. On this side, you got 78 Chevy Boy, Boss Lady, Vic, and Nitris. I finna put the bumpers on for Boss Lady, man. But I thought about it for a minute and I decided not to. I'm gonna go ahead and let her be a big girl tonight, man. I'm gonna take the bumpers off. She gotta be a big girl tonight. For real. And on the other side, we got Reggie. Then we got Mo on the other side. So it was pretty live in there, man. I had to edit the music out, man. They had the music jamming. You know, I didn't want to get hit with the copyright, so let's get to it, man. 78 Chevy Boy, you know I gotta warm up first. Gotta warm up, gotta stretch. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get right. You gotta get right, man. How many of y'all be bowling, man? Drop down in the comments, let me know how many of y'all be bowling, man. I'm a little rusty right off, man. You know. Okay, gutter ball. You feel me? Gutter ball. It's okay though. It's okay. Gotta check the temperature in the room. You know, I still got my sweater on and everything, man. Still got my sweater on. So, I'm telling y'all, it's business, right? Business start right now. The business start right now, man. Let's get it. 78 Chevy Boy. You ain't gotta do much adapt and adjust, man. Bang, bang. You gotta adapt and adjust, man. Yeah, man. But shout out to my people I had fun with, man. Man, we had a good time. There go Boss Lady. She hurt her nail, y'all. Let me kiss it. There go my boy, man. He ain't nothing but a pool. He a bowl shark right there. Somebody he ain't know how to bowl. Somebody hand hurt. Look at him. Somebody hand hurt, man. He gave us that lie all week. Somebody's hand was hurt. And here go his wife. His wife too. Look. Sniper. She up here playing too. She know how to bowl. Yeah, look at him trying to make us feel good. Now throwing one in the gutter. Man, you ain't about to play with me, bro. Look at him. Man, my hair ain't number these 3 finger working. Only these 3 finger working. Yeah, man. I'm glad I ain't bet him no money. Him and that wife know how to bowl. Yeah, man. Yeah. We had a good time. We're going to get out here and do it again, too. Look at the wife. His wife trying to make her feel good. Go 7-8. Y'all see, I done got out that sweater now. I done got out that sweater, boy. Yes, sir. Gutter ball. That's my regular. That's my regular bowl. That's my regular form right there. You see what I'm saying? That's my regular form. But my boy Reggie and Mo showed me how to put that twist on it, man. Look, ball lady. Look at ball lady. Better quit playing with my girl. Quit playing with my girl, man. Yay! Yeah, look at my boy Reggie. Man, my boy Reggie throwing that joint 100 miles an hour, man. 100 miles an hour. Watch this. Shoo! Boy, slinging that joint, man. Check out the scammer right here. Check out the scammer. Yeah, man. They go Reggie again. They go Reggie again. Shoo! If he don't do nothing else, boy, he gonna slang that junk. Yeah, man. I think they getting tired on me now, man. I should be coming up. Here I go. Watch this English, man. I'm gonna put some English on there for y'all, man. I'm gonna put some English on there. Watch this. Nah, that ain't the English right there. This might be it. I know they showed me at one point. Nah, that ain't the English right there either. Okay, this is what they tried to show me, and I couldn't get it right. I couldn't get it right, man. Got my sweater back on, pants falling down. Watch this, though. Watch this. Woo! Bam! Yeah. Y'all see that English? Man, they showed the wrong one. Watch this. Yes, sir. They showed the wrong one how to do that, man. Trying to tell you. Look at him. He trying to throw me out. Don't throw me out, bro. He threw me out, man. That's all right, though. I'm serious with it now. Yeah. Man, thought I had it. Look at that boy. Look how I ride that line, man. Come on, man. 7-8 Chevy boy, man. We're going to have CNC. We're going to have the CNC bowling team in a minute, man. Y'all look out. We coming in that junk with bags, shoes, and everything. Watch this. We coming in there with bags and shoes, our personal balls and everything, man. Shout out to Big Ty, man. Big Ty said he come through that thing. He walk up in there, man, with the shoes, the bag, the ball, got his towel and everything, man. Y'all don't want to play with Big Ty. Man say he can't bowl a lick, man.
My seven. I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing